Hello everybody, I'm Chuck. We're finally due to DVD opening on planes. Yes. Here's spine. Here's the back. We have the bonus features. Okay. Let's choose disc 1. Alright.
Back of them.
For our guests, we have Rowdy, Handy, Digger, and Biggs. Hi. Without further ado, let's press English.
Should we play something else while we wait?
Let's go to main root menu.
Dude, I don't even know anymore.
We have scene selections. We have
Somebody's hair is so funny.
20 chapters on this one. Okay, next up is bonus features.
Oh, you wanna play that?
Introduction and trailers. Here's all of this.
What the freak
And finally is setup.
I'm gonna pretend like I can't hear you.
Okay, we have languages,
I
English and Spanish.
that is.
No French, sadly. Finally is subtitles. None. English and Spanish.
Everyone just wants
Yep. Without further ado, let's press play. Really? Here's the logo again. I didn't mean to. I don't want to hear anymore. Yes. Here's the soundtrack. Here's the commentaries and interviews. Walt Disney Home Entertainment and WEAI warnings. Calm down, Rowdy.
Permanent ban. No exploiting. Permanent ban. No using glitches to get into other bases. 2-day
Here's
ban.
the start of the film.
Whoa.
Okay. We see the Disney logo.
I guess after we get weapons.
You know what?
Where's the
We're gonna stop it right there. So, that concludes the DVD opening on planes.
maybe over here?
Thank you so much for watching today's video.
Around?
Thank you so much. Hey you, Chuck. What do you want? You better.
I don't know. Is it like a fat, a flag?
You. You better do this next week. We're not doing Open Season 3 by Twitter.